truck. It's a garbage truck. Drive's going in. There's some bins over there, as you can see. I was going to put some new things in the bin. I'm going to show you the back. See the back? See the back? Okay, let's go. Let's go truck. Yep. Yeah.
He's going to show you how they compact it.
Guys, garbage day is the best. Look at this. Look at this truck. Oh my god. I'm gonna get some pictures. Oh, let's just going. See what happens. Oh, what's it doing? It's gonna go to the beach? No, you can't do that. It's pulling. Guys, there's a storm wherever we are, and there's a bunch of seagulls. There's a bunch of seagulls, just so you know. Thrown some stuff in there. I don't know what happened. Oh. There's seagulls you can see. Look at these. It's gonna go.